How to clear Safari history on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you two easy ways to delete your browsing history and website data. First method is using the Safari app. Open the Safari browser on your iPhone. Now tap the book icon at the bottom of the screen. Then go to the History tab, clock icon. Here you'll see your browsing history. Tap Clear. Now choose the time range. You can select last hour, today, or all time to delete everything. You can also choose to close all open tabs if needed. Finally, tap All Time and your Safari data will be removed. The second method is through Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Safari under App Settings. Now scroll down and select Clear History and Website Data. Then tap on Clear History again, and tap on Close Tabs. And that's it. Your Safari history is now cleared on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.